In this video, I will show you how to verify age on Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this, what you're going to want to do first is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto this gear icon to bring up this menu, and then what you want to do is click onto settings. Once you're on your settings, what you need to do is make sure you're on account info. So if you come to the menu on the left hand side, click onto account info, and in the personal section just a bit down the page, you're going to see a button to verify your age. So what you need to do is go ahead, give that a click. Once you've done that, as you can see, a window's going to come up like this, saying that we require a photo of a government ID to verify your identity. So what you can do is use any of the following, which is a driver's license, national ID, passport, residency permit, or voter ID. In this example, I'm going to select driver license, and as you can see, it's now asking to take a clear photo of the front of your driver's license. So you can choose to do this on your laptop, or if you would prefer to do this on like a mobile device, you can click here where it says continue on another device. To do this, say for example you wanted to do it on your mobile, then all you would do is scan the QR code on screen and complete the steps to verify your age. Once completed and you've been through the steps, you're going to get a confirmation window like this where it says congratulations, you're done, thanks for verifying your identity. So at this point just go ahead and click done, and you should now have a confirmation screen like this where it says verification successful. So at this point just go ahead, close this window down, and as you can see my age has now been verified. As you can see, it's determined my age group and my birthday. You can see it's all verified now, and the button saying verify my age has now disappeared. So that is how to verify age on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.